Okay, why do girls play tough to get? Men ask this a lot. And really, you should consider it for a moment. Why can't she just be straight? Why can't she clearly tell you if she likes you or not? Why does she keep sending you those hard-to-read mixed signals that frustrate you? Believe me, I get your annoyance. If I were a guy, I'd feel the very same way. But here's the surprising truth. Most men don't know there's always a reason for it. Women don't play hard to get for amusement. They don't just get up one day and choose to confuse you. No, there's a mind game plan behind it. Actually, there are 3 big reasons why women play hard to get. In this video, I'll explain each one clearly. I'll also give you a clear test to figure out if she's really playing hard to get or just not interested. This test can save you weeks or months of lost time and effort. Truth is, I've seen too many guys use their energy going after women who didn't like them. That's both painful and a huge waste of time better spent on women who truly want you. Plus, I'll show you what to do when a woman plays hard to get and the 2 big mistakes men make that you must avoid. A lot is covered here. This is a brief video, but full of powerful insights. So please, put away all distractions, focus, and watch everything. I swear, once you know the mind science behind this, it will alter how you see women completely. Also, this isn't only theory. Everything I share is from real mind science, female actions, and attraction rules I've watched happen again and again. I'm Stephanie, and welcome to The Manipulated Mind. Every week, I show the honest truths about what women desire, and the mind-based methods to turn attraction into long-term connection. No tricks, just the secret knowledge most men don't get. So, press subscribe now so you don't miss what's next, or you'll repeat the same mistakes that push women away without knowing. Reason 1. She's been hurt earlier. This reason is clear but important. She's been hurt in the past. This is very usual for women. If she's had poor dating history, like being cheated on, lied to, or left sad, she'll be careful. And that's logical, right? Consider, if you've been hurt or disappointed, you don't jump into the next relationship trusting easily. You build walls. You go slow. You guard yourself. That's precisely her situation. She worries that if she opens up too soon, old pain might happen again. She avoids getting attached too fast because thinking about being hurt again seems too much. So what happens? She seems interested, then goes cold. She texts kindly one day and is gone the next. Not to play games, but because she's battling her own deep fear of getting close. This is self-defense, a wall her heart made for safety. Many of my friends have said they do this, mainly after a divorce or very bad breakup. They craved connection, but were scared of making the same mistake. Then the answer isn't to try more. The answer is to see her view. Caring helps a lot. When you see she's careful from her past, not from you, you can talk to her with calmness instead of anger. Watch until the end to get all the valuable insights that can change your approach completely. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Reason 2, she doesn't want to look easy. This next reason is big, and frankly, almost every woman says this sometime. She doesn't want to look too available. This is maybe the top reason for playing hard to get. I'll be clear, I've used this myself, and so has every woman I know. Why? Society judges women seen as too easy. How people see her matters. A woman's standing matters. A major fear is being called desperate or unimportant. See it from her side. She likes you a lot, you give her nerves, and she thinks about your future. But if she reveals that too early, she could be seen as just another girl a guy can have and leave. That is her biggest fear. So what action does she take? She acts cool. She covers the happiness. She could ignore your text for some hours, even if she wants to reply. She says she's busy while thinking about you all day. It's not disliking you. She wants you to treasure her. She wants you to see her as valuable and worth chasing, not just someone easily won. Men often see this as no interest, but really it's her method of saying, respect me, value me, prove you're serious. Reason 3, it's a test. The next reason is a test. Don't think of it as a mean trick. It's not made to make you fail, and it's not simply manipulation. This fits women who get much attention. Pretty, outgoing, or popular women often use playing hard to get as a screening tool. Here's the mind game. These women hear guys praising them, idolizing them, acting desperate for their notice. That feels good first, but it's not what they want in a true partner. So she plays hard to get to watch your reaction. Do you get worried? Do you start questioning yourself? Do you chase more, seeming clingy? Or do you stay relaxed, sure of yourself and fun like women quietly want? This test shows all about you. It tells if you're stable, self-assured, and strong, or if you'll fall under pressure. Believe me, women see this more than you know. They're not testing to confuse you. They test to see if you're the man they'd honor and want forever. So the 3 main reasons are past hurt and self-protection, not wanting to look easy, and testing your true self. Now the crucial point. No matter the reason, there's only one right response. Do this right, and she'll stop acting and show her true feelings. But before that answer, here's a quick attraction test to see if she's interested or leading you on. The attraction test. So the main question, is she playing hard to get or just not liking you? Here's reality. Too many men waste long time chasing a woman who never wanted them. This brings sadness, anger, and lost effort that should go to a woman who cares for you. So use this easy 4-step test. Watch her behavior for clues that give a straight answer. Look carefully. These small signs tell her actual feelings. Sign 1. Attention. Is she focused? First, notice focus. When you talk in person or by text, does she really listen? Is she involved? Perhaps she remembers little details you said. Perhaps she laughs at your jokes, even bad ones. Or she asks more questions, showing she's listening. A girl playing hard to get may not reply fast, but when she does, she's focused. She's still connected. But if she's always distracted, not hearing you, or giving empty replies like LOL or K, that's a sure sign she's not into you. A woman with no interest won't use energy to pay attention. Attention is a major sign of attraction. Sign 2. Nervousness. Second, notice anxiety. Most women get anxious near a guy they like. It's normal. Even if she acts cool, her body often shows it. Watch for, she mixes her words. She laughs suddenly. She touches her hair or fixes her clothes. She limits eye contact since it makes her red. These small nervous signs show she feels the same nerves as you. Sure, some bold women hide it well, but for most, nervousness is a good sign of attraction. If she's totally calm, far, and unchanged by you, she's likely not interested. But any small sign of nerves means her body is telling the truth. Watch until the very end to learn the one right response that makes her drop the act. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more truths.
Sign 3. Reaction to touch. The next sign is about physical touch. When you lightly touch her, a fun tap on the arm or hand on her shoulder, watch her response. If she moves away, blocks herself, or seems uncomfortable, that's not hard to get. That's no interest. Done. But if she allows it or leans closer to you, that's a good signal she's interested. If she also touches you back, like a light push or touching your arm, that's a very clear yes. Being close is a top sign of attraction. If she's fine with you in her private space, or if she makes that closeness, you can trust she likes you, even if she acts cold. Sign 4. Texting work. Lastly, texts. When a woman likes you but plays hard to get, she might not text back quickly. She might not begin every chat, but look at this. When she replies, she tries hard in it. No short answers like yeah or okay. She joins in. She asks her own questions. She uses emojis. She may text twice to continue talking. These signs mean she cares what you think, even while acting cool. But if her replies are boring, low effort, and she never tries, she's not playing hard to get. She's showing no interest. Test recap. The 4 signs. 1. Focus. She listens, joins, remembers. 2. Nerves. She stumbles, laughs shyly, avoids eyes. 3. Touch. She doesn't move back and may touch you. 4. Text effort. She uses energy in replies, even if cool. If you see these, she probably likes you and is playing hard to get. If no signs are there, she's not into you. Stop wasting time. Where guys fail. They see the signs but then make 2 big mistakes that ruin everything. Before the right method, you must avoid these 2 deadly errors. The 2 deadly mistakes. Mistake 1. Telling all your feelings fast. A guy gets annoyed. He's lost by mixed signals. So under stress, he says everything. I really like you. I always think of you. Give me a chance. This feels honest but seems needy. Even if she was interested, dumping all your feelings suddenly pressures her.
It's too fast. If she's holding back from caution, nerves, or testing, your word dump is too much. It pushes her away, not closer. Attraction needs balance. A too fast confession ruins that balance. Mistake 2, acting totally distant. Other guys, mad at the hard-to-get act, copy the game. They step back, ignore her, act uninterested. They think, if I act far, she'll want me more. Sometimes she might seem more interested at first, but what really happens? A bad back-and-forth game. She's cold, you're cold. She's warm, you're cold again. Soon, you're playing chess, not building a bond. This game feels exciting briefly but doesn't build real attraction. It builds anger and she'll leave. Or worse, you create a controlling cycle that exhausts both. Truth. Women don't want games. They want you sure, steady, and solid. The right way. So, what's right? What makes her stop the act and be real? It's easy. Be playfully persistent. No big moves, no emotional speeches, no acting cold. Instead, find the best middle path. Be fun, be flirty. Tease her in a confident, enjoyable way. This shows 2 things. 1, you're not needy for her. No rush. 2, you're not scared to show interest. This balance makes her soften because she sees you're strong enough to stand firm, but nice enough to make her feel wanted. Do this right, and she ends the tests. She stops hiding. She talks openly because you're the rare man who doesn't crack under pressure or play kid games. Why it works? The mind science. Playful persistence starts her attraction deeply. You make her laugh, feel noticed, feel tested, but never seem desperate. Once she feels this emotional pull, she can't keep the hard-to-get act. It's more fun to talk with you. She'll text first, give more focus, and show real interest. If you're skilled at flirty persistence, she can stop the act quickly. From "I like him," but to "I want him now." That's the hidden truth most men miss. Don't chase too much, don't go distant. Learn playful persistence. This one change can totally change how women answer you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others learn these truths.
To finish, so now you see why women play hard to get. It's often one of 3 reasons. 1, she's been hurt and is guarding herself. 2, she doesn't want to look easy since her image is important. 3, she's testing if you're a man worth her time. You also know how to see if a woman is truly interested or fooling you. Recall the 4 signs: her focus on you, her small nervous actions, her reply to your touch, the work in her texts. If she has these signs, she likely likes you. She's just holding back. Then you must answer correctly, not by speaking your feelings early, not by turning cold, but by being playfully persistent. That's the sweet spot most men don't learn, but it changes all. Remember this: attraction isn't game playing. It's making a feeling in her she can't forget. When you stay peaceful, sure, and playful, you make her feel secure and thrilled together. That mix is powerful. You'll stop chasing forever. You'll stop wasting time on women who don't care. You'll see the truth. You'll know when a woman really values you. Then you'll not waste your energy on the wrong person again. If this video helped you, do this now. Press the like button. It takes a moment and lets this message find more men who need it. Follow The Manipulated Mind if you don't already, because every week I share secret truths about attraction, female psychology, and relationship rules most men won't hear elsewhere. Also, leave a comment here. Have you ever been unsure if she played hard to get or just didn't like you? Tell your tale. I read each one, and your story may aid another guy viewing this. Thank you for staying to the end. You've learned the mind science behind a very puzzling female behavior, and now you have the skills to handle it with surety. I'm Stephanie, and this is The Manipulated Mind. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay smart, stay sure, and never let mixed signals break your focus again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to unlock more insights into the psychology of attraction.